We are here live on the construction site that is Spawn right now. All day we've been prepping Spawn to get ready for tomorrow's construction, destroying basically everything in sight. And now we're just kind of sitting here. And as you can see, we really don't know what to do. This has kind of just been the last 20 minutes. Yeah. So I guess I'll give a quick fly around in this mini episode of shenanigans. Oh, that's yeah. That's something right there, isn't it? This over here is a storage building. Now, for the Spawn construction. And then that's kind of it. Well, I guess, thanks for tuning in to this mini-sode. And we'll look at the disappearing plane. And we'll see you in the next mini-sode or actual episode.